given you the spirit of the Constitution and the spirit of true Indian. I hope you will all abide by the rules and regulations of this Constitution. మీరు చదివినప్పుడు కూడా ఇదే మనకి బైబిల్, ఇదే మనకి గీత, ఇదే మనకి ఖురాన్. ఎందుకంటే మనం ఈరోజు ఇంత స్వేచ్ఛగా మనం ఇక్కడ కూర్చొని ఇంత శుభ్రంగా మనం కూర్చొని మనం ఎడ్యుకేషన్ పొందుతున్నాము అంటే ఇట్స్ ఆల్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ బుక్, ఇట్స్ ఆల్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ రూల్స్ అండ్ రెగ్యులేషన్స్. మీరు ఈ ప్రపంచంలోనే నంబర్ వన్ వ్యక్తిగా మారుతారని డాక్టర్ బిఆర్ అంబేద్కర్ మనకి ఆయన జీవితం ఎగ్జాంపుల్గా చూపించి మనకి చెప్తా ఉన్నాం. మన జీవితంలో ఉన్నత స్థాయికి చేరుకోవాలి అంటే కేవలం ఒకే ఒక మార్గం అనేది మీ డాక్టర్ బిఆర్ అంబేద్కర్ చెప్తున్నారు. చదువు తప్ప చదవండి, చదవండి. ఎందుకంటే మిమ్మల్ని ఎంత నీచ స్థితిలో చూస్తే కూడా, మిమ్మల్ని ఎంత సమాజంలో ఎంత కింద స్థాయిలో మిమ్మల్ని చూస్తే కూడా, even they tie you in the social ladder, the lowest rung in the social ladder, you will fly like a, you know, like a bird.
I am Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. I would like to explain about our hard work and our long vision about our country. My life has been a struggle for human dignity. I was born into a society where the inequality was accepted as custom, but I refused to accept the humiliation as destiny. Education is my weapon, the path that lifted me from darkness into light. Every page I read, every hardship I face, strengthened my resolve that no human being should be counted by birth, caste or tradition. When destiny entrusted me with the task of drafting the Constitution, I saw before me was not a document of laws, but the blueprint of India, an India where the justice is bright light of all, liberty shapes every mind, and equality walks on every road. The Constitution became an instrument to break the chains of centuries and give voice to voiceless. The Constitution of India is the mirror of my dreams of justice. When I was entrusted with the chairmanship of drafting the committee, I knew the task before me was not merely legal, it was moral. India needed a constitution that would heal all the old wounds and build a future on the foundation of equality. Oppressed of the nation could not depend upon charity. They required safeguards, guarantees written in the very heart of the Constitution. They asked for reservations, representations for social uplift, not to divide the nation, but to heal the deep fractures created by centuries of discriminations. If the Constitution stands today as the guardian of every rights of the citizen, it is because I dreamed of an India where no one would be judged by birth, but the content of their characters and the courage of their actions. Thank you.
Constitution of India was made up by the drafting committee under the chairmanship of the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and Constitution of India was divided into 6 fundamental rights. Here they are.
Right to equality, like all persons are equal before the law. That means all persons are equally protected by the law of the country. State that Indian country is divided against on the basis of caste, religion, and this is also includes in speech and expression. Right to freedom to form. That is the Constitution for which human families go to learn and employment of children under 14 years of age. Right to freedom of religion. Religious freedom is provided to all the citizens of India. The Constitution says that all minorities religious can linguistic can set up their own education institution in order to promote and develop their own language or culture. Right to constitutional remedies. This allows citizens to move the court if they believe that any of their fundamental rights has been violated by the state. Thank you.
In our Indian Constitution, Part 4 from Article 51A. Let's know our first duty.
First duty first, I'ma say on the fundamental duties. Oh, the fundamental duties. Oh, abide by the Constitution, respect national flag and national anthem. Respect national flag and anthem. Second duty, second, I'ma say on the fundamental duties. Oh, the fundamental duties. Oh, follow ideas of the freedom struggles. Oh, follow ideas of the freedom struggles. Third is protecting sovereignty and integrity of India. Oh, the integrity of India. Oh, defend the country and render national services of India. Oh, national services of India. Oh,
There are few more fundamental duties in our constitution.
this is the spirit of common brotherhood of India. The India, the brotherhood of India, the brotherhood of India. Sixth is the preserving composite culture of India. The India, the culture of India, the culture of India. Seventh is the preserving natural environment of India. The India, the environment of India, the environment of India. Develop scientific temper of India, safeguarding public property of India. Develop scientific temper of India to safeguarding public property of India. Strive for excellence, people of India. Strive for excellence, people of India.
The last fundamental duty. Duty for all parents, guardians to send their children at the age group of 6 to 14 years to school. These are the fundamental duties.